is Janisha and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be starting with a new series known as Author Binge, wherein I'll be reading different books by the same author. Vaikilan writes romance novels, and so three books which I read are Egomaniac, Boss Man and Hate Notes. First book which I read was Egomaniac. So this story is about Drew and Emery. Drew is a lawyer and Emery is a psychologist. She recently moved to New York City and she kind of rented a new place. Drew comes back from some vacation and renovation is going place at his office. So when he returns, he finds someone, and that someone is Emery. And Emery, on the other hand, thought that Drew was a thief or something, so she called the police. But later on, she finds out that the place which she rented belonged to Drew, and she was scammed. So Drew offered Emery to share his office space till his assistant comes back, but on one condition, that Emery has to help him with some of the work like answering calls or some other assistant work. So Emery agrees to that, and the story kind of goes on from there. So I'm not a big fan of this book. I mean, I don't hate this book, but I did not love it too. It was okay. Emery was kind of like irritating at times. Also, I just could not connect with these characters. I just don't know, for some reason I just could not connect with them. And also, I don't understand how they are so free all the time. I think their profession, I think they were not working only. And also, it was kind of hard to believe that Drew only had one person in his staff. So there was only one lady, like his assistant, that was it. Him being such a big shot lawyer, that was hard to believe. And also Emery kind of moved to New York City for this some stupid professor she likes, and on top of that, she does not even know if the guy reverts the feeling for her. So I mean, I don't know if that was a wise decision. So moving on, the next book which I read was Boss Man. So the story is about Chase and Reese. Starts when Reese is kind of stuck at some awful date and she's asking her friend to save her. Chase kind of heard what she was talking and kind of calls her out and calls her names, and they banter for some time. After that, Reese shows up to her date. After some time, Chase shows up with his date and introduces himself as Reese's ex, and kind of makes up various stories that kind of saved Reese. And after that, like that only, after some months, when Reese kind of shows up to her new place, Reese later on finds out that Chase is her new boss, and story kind of revolves around that. This was a cute story. I would say it was nice to read, and definitely not the best, but I would say it was like nice and fluffy. And also, all three books, I did not mention this, but all three books are kind of steamy, and they are a workplace romance kind of book. So if you are interested, then definitely pick this one. I would suggest this one more over the first one. And so moving on to the last book, is Hate Notes. This book was actually written by Vaikilan and Penelope Ward. So the story is about Charlotte and Reed, and book starts when Charlotte kind of goes to some vintage store to sell her wedding gown, because she found that her fiance was cheating on her, so she needed some cash, so she came to sell her gown. And here only she finds some other pretty bridal gown kind of thing, and also the note on the gown kind of catches her attention, and the note was written by Reed. So she kind of looks him up and finds him out, and turns out that he's some real estate guy, and somehow she ends up going and looking at the property, and also Reed had figured it out that she did not come to buy. This is a hate to love romance book, and after the whole situation, she kind of is hired to work for him at his firm, and like that, like story kind of goes on. This book was, I mean, it was not that great. I really liked the first half. because the banter between both Charlotte and Reed was really cute, and also like it was pretty entertaining in the first half. Second half kind of got boring and a little sad and repetitive too, I would say. So you could read this also. I mean, like, from all three, like all these three books, I would say Boss Man would be the first one, second would be Hate Notes, and third would be the third one, yeah, third one would be Egomaniac. Egomaniac was kind of like okay. Other two books I would suggest to anyone if you want to read a workplace romance, but with Egomaniac, I think it did not work out for me. I just could not connect with the characters. You might like that, so you could give that one also a shot because it was not that bad also. So definitely you can give any of these books a shot. So do let me know what do you guys think of these books and the series also. That is it for this video. I'll see you in the next video now. Till then, take care.